Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, power door locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.